In this video, I'm going to show you the process of setting up a student bank account with Lloyds Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So to begin, start by visiting Lloyds Bank's website and locate the search icon at the top of the page. Once you have found it, type in student and hit the search button. Next, on the Products tab, select Student Current Account and click on Learn More. This page provides a comprehensive overview of the benefits associated with a student account at Lloyds Bank. I strongly advise you to review all the details. If you're at least 17 years old, a full-time student and have been a UK resident for a minimum of 3 years, you may qualify for this account. Once you have reviewed the requirements and are confident you meet them, continue scrolling down the page for instruction on how to open a student current account. You'll find two options for the application. You can apply directly on this page, or you can visit a Lloyds Bank branch with your identification documents. If you would like more information about the bank branch location, you can click the provided link where it says Lloyds Bank branch. However, if you are ready to apply immediately, simply select Apply for a student current account at the bottom of the page. You'll be redirected to another page on the Lloyds Bank website where you'll need to provide personal details including your identification and a photo of your ID. After that, click on Continue and you have to answer to some questions. Once you have finished, click on Find a branch. Here you will get all the information you need. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.